everyone, my name is Amber Steffen, and I will be reading to you in this one. In this one, you are adventuring. You are surrounded by nature and friends. In this one, you are creating the best memories during a very stressful time. For the first time in what felt like years, you were out of the house. You spent this day hiking, swimming, and exploring. In this one, you are doing something you love most with people who matter to you most. In this one, you've let go. For that day, you let go of teaching, coaching, training a new puppy, house hunting, and school. You took off your shoes and walked into the waterfall. It was a beautiful day, and it felt like the weight of the world had just been washed off of you. You were relaxed. In this one, you realized how important it was to be outdoors, exploring and spending time with those who matter. You realized that even though you let go, you couldn't let go of the love you have for teaching and coaching. You began to reflect on your journey to becoming a teacher and how you had wanted to be one since you were a little girl. You reflected on the months you had lost this past school year. You looked forward into the future, not quite ready to tackle the unknown. In this one, you discovered that the best place for reflection was near water. Now you go back regularly as a part of self-care. In this one, you felt the best you had felt in months. You let go of the little things and cleared your mind of the struggles in this world for just a moment. In this one, you were calm, happy, and relieved.